Hey there, welcome to another tech video. Today we have an interesting problem to discuss. Have you ever wondered about the TDP of computer processors? Specifically, we're diving into the question of whether a CPU's TDP applies collectively to all its cores, or if each core has its own TDP. Let's unravel this mystery together. In the solution provided, it's clarified that the thermal design power, TDP, of a CPU is defined per chip and not per core. This means that when a CPU is labeled with a certain TDP, such as 15 watts, it refers to the maximum heat the entire chip can generate. For instance, the Intel Core i5-8260 you mentioned has a TDP of up to 25W, not 60W based on the number of cores. So, the TDP value represents the chip as a whole, considering all its components. Now that we've shed some light on the TDP mystery, remember that the TDP value of a CPU, like the Intel Core i5-8260U, pertains to the chip's overall thermal design power, not individual core consumption. It's always fascinating to uncover these technical details that shape the performance of our devices. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.